Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the machine and media so prints start cleanly. First, confirm the banner material, PVC, vinyl, or mesh, and the thickness range because print heads and heat settings depend on it. Next, clean the plate and rollers. Dirt causes banding. Once done, mount the roll with the edge registered at 0 mm, apply even tension about 1/4 turn, and set the media path. These steps prevent wrinkles and misfeeds, so your first pass will align and register correctly. Now configure print settings and ink so colors reproduce accurately. Choose resolution, 720 to 1440 dpi, based on viewing distance. Lower for billboards, higher for close-up displays. Then pick ink mode, CMYK for standard banners, CMYK plus white when printing on dark material. Increase ink density by about 10% for heavy substrates to maintain saturation. Make sure to run a color profile and perform a nozzle and head alignment test. Once verified, do a short proof print to confirm registration and color fidelity before the full run. Execute the print and watch the initial meters to catch issues early. Start the sequence and monitor the first 2 meters for banding, skew, or unexpected color shifts. Pause immediately if you see problems. After successful printing, trim and finish. Hem edges and set grommets at roughly 50 cm spacing, or use heat-sealed edges for mesh banners. If something goes wrong, clean the print heads, run a nozzle check, and realign the media. Then reprint a short sample. That troubleshooting loop fixes most common faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.